Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear mode. Calculation of mode in a individual series. In individual series we can calculate mode by two methods. Number one, by inspection method or by observation method. This is the first method, and second method is by converting individual series into discrete series. Mode is the third measures of central tendency. This is the third method. Third measure of central tendency. Mode is the value which occurs maximum times in a frequency distribution. It means highest frequency will be the value of mode. So let us see whatever the calculations are given here. This is the statement and this is individual series. Here approximately 1 2 3 4 rows and 1 2 3 4 5 columns. So 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to, these are the 20 students, and we have to find out which are the mode marks. 20 students and these are the marks. By inspection method we see what is the value which occurs the maximum time in this given datas. What is the value by inspection? We haven't do any calculation. Without doing any calculation, by inspection we will observe which is the value which occurs repeatedly maximum times. 1000, 1400, approximately 2 times. I think 1200 is the value. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so approximately 12 by inspection. 1200 is the value which occurs maximum time. So mode is equal to 1200. This is by inspection method. Number 2, by converting individual series, by converting it individual, because this is individual series, here frequency is not given, into discrete series. Answer should be same. For individual series, let us write down the values of x. Approximately maximum value is 1600, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700. Let us prepare tally bars. because through tally bars we can find out number of students. These are the marks. Number 1, 1000, 1400, again 1400, 1500, 1200, 1200, 1200, 1200, 4 times. Then 1100, 1600, 1000, 1500, again 1500, 1200, 1300, 1200, 1200, 1600, then 1200, and last one is 1300. Now let us calculate all these, and 1700 values is not given, so we will remove this item. So the frequency will be 2, 1, 8, 2, 2, 3, 2. Mode is the value. I am writing down here how we can calculate mode by second method, in which we have converted this individual series into discrete series. Mode or Z. Mode is the value which occurs maximum times in a frequency distribution. Because of here this is the frequency distribution, and here 8. Mode is the value which occurs maximum times. Mode or Z is the value which occurs maximum times in a frequency distribution. So this 8 occurs maximum time in the frequency distribution, and against it the value of mode will be 1200. So 1200 will be the value of Z is equal to 1200. So here the value of mode is equal to 1200, because in the frequency distribution we will write down, because in frequency distribution 1200 occurs 8 times, which is maximum. So this is evident that time occur maximum times in the frequency distribution. So we have proved, we have converted this individual series we have converted individual series into discrete series. Here frequency is not given, as well as we have find out frequency with the help of this given distribution. Then it means we have converted this simple frequency, this given data into discrete series. So in this way, in individual series we can calculate mode by grouping or by inspection method. It means these are ungrouped method, or by grouped method also. When we calculate discrete series, in discrete series we can calculate mode by inspection method or by grouping or analysis table. So do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to mode. Thank you.